Hello all, myself Madhvi Navarkar from Kekewa Polytechnic Nashik. Today we are going to see the topic or unit database models and database types from the subject principles of database. First we will see what is database model. It is the design of the database, or we can say it defines the logical design and structure of a database, and it defines how the data will be stored, how it can be accessed and updated in a DBMS. Means it can give the final model of the database. There are total 5 types of database model: hierarchical, network, object oriented, entity relationship and relational. Among these 5, relational model is the most widely used database model. Now we will see first hierarchical. Hierarchical means it shows the tree-like structure. Tree-like structure means starts from the root, which can also be called as parent, and the children can be added below that. It uses the top-down approach, means it goes from parent to children. It is used for the real-world relationship like index of a book, recipes, etc. For example, college has department infrastructure. Here college is the parent and the remaining are the children. Second is the network database model. This is the extension of hierarchical model. In hierarchical, only one-to-many relationship was there. In network, it allows many-to-many relationship. The main feature is that it is displayed as a graph where relationship are the arcs and the object types are the nodes. So here the department, student, course, professor, these are connected to each other. So it is many-to-many relationship. Third one is object-oriented database model. Object-oriented means the main purpose is or main orientation is on the object, where it is the collection of object. The objects are represented with different attributes. Attributes means the characteristics of that particular object, and all the objects are connected using relationship. There are different elements of object oriented database model. That is object, which is the real world entity, for example person, book, like this. Then attributes. Attributes are the characteristics of the object. Then method. Method means what process, what behavior is performed on the object, that is the method. Object-oriented database model can be used for scientific experiments, geographic information system, engineering design and manufacturing. Here 3 objects are there: sales report, and for that object the instance is object 1. Then the sales report is connected to the second object, that is sales activity. Then the next model is relational model. This is the most popular and most widely used database model. In relational model there are multiple concepts like relation, attribute, record, tuple, like this. A relational database is a collection of 2-dimensional tables which consist of rows and columns. Now see, in this figure, these are the columns, that is SID, SNAME, SH. The column can be called as an attribute in relational model. Then this SID is 1104, name is Bob, age is 14, class is 9, section is A. This is called as the row or record. But in case of relational model, it is called as tuple. And the whole table is called as the relation. Now we will see the next topic, that is different types of database system. There are basically 4 types, that is centralized database system, parallel database system, client server database system and distributed database system. Now we will see one by one. First is centralized database system. As the name suggests, everything is stored centrally. It is located, stored and maintained in a single location. And this location is mostly any central computer or database system. Here the database physically resides on only one site and other sites can access through the network. For example, see, here is the database and every site is going to access the database through computer network. The next is client server database system. In client server there are two main concepts, that is client and server. Client is that system or that concept who send a request to perform the task to the server. Means client send the request to server. Server means what? Who serves something. So servers normally receive the command sent by the clients, perform the task and send the appropriate result back to the client. Means client sends the request and server sends the reply. Server runs a DBMS which manages the whole database. So this is the figure which client sends the request to the server and server gives the response or reply to the clients. The next is different types of client server architecture. First is single tier client server, means one PC is going to perform all the things. Two tier means client and server, and three tier means client is there, server is there, and third tier is the database tier. Then the next is parallel database system. This parallel database system is basically used in companies. Companies need to handle huge amount of data with high data transfer rate. But the client server and centralized cannot do this. And for improving the performance, the parallel database systems were invented. This parallel database system improves the performance of data processing using multiple resources in parallel, like multiple CPU and disk are used parallel. It also performs many parallelization operations like data loading and query processing. Then the next is distributed database system. Distributed means the name suggests only as it is distributed. Distributed database system is collection of multiple interconnected databases which are spread physically across various locations and that communicate via computer network. In this case, each site has its own memory and its own database server which is distributed among the network. For example, see, site 1 has its own database, site 2 has its own database, site 4 has its own database which are connected via computer network. There are two types of distributed database system. First one is homogeneous and second one is heterogeneous. Homogeneous means same type. In this distributed system, all the sites use the same DBMS and same operating system. Means everything is same. And the second type is heterogeneous distributed database system. Heterogeneous means different one. Here different sites have different operating systems and different DBMS products and different data models. Means one system can have Windows 7, another can have Windows 8, another can have Windows 10, like this. So these are the different types of database system. Thank you.